Hi, this is Justin with Justin's Web Design and More Business Today. In this video, we're going to learn how to add, edit, and delete images. And so this is probably the second most common thing that you're going to do is add, edit, add or replace images typically. Adding an image is pretty straightforward. You can click on the widget, and one of the first popular ones is the image. You could also search for it, and then you drag this over to where you want it to be. Say we want to put an image here, for example. Now, in the images, you can search for images, which will show you images that you've either uploaded or from the old site, or you can upload a new image, which is what you would probably most often do. So, upload an image. Just browse to where it is on your computer, and then click on it. It'll go through here and upload it, and it'll put it on your screen here. And you can see it's right here. You can also edit your image. So, for example, you can crop it. I would note if you crop it and it's bigger than 800 pixels wide, which your site is about 1,000 pixels wide, so that gives you a comparison. When you crop it, it crops down to a maximum of 800 pixels wide, so it automatically kind of resizes it at the same time if you crop it. But say we want to crop it, hit apply. Now it's tighter. You can add, I'll let you play with this more, but you can add, text to it. Apply. You can add a frame to it. Apply. You can add a focus to it, which it's an odd thing. The focus is an interesting thing because it's what Apple is calling portrait mode. Is basically focus, and what it does is it makes it so that the rest of what's outside of your focus is out of focus, and it'll do a square or a circle. I'm not going to apply that one just because it's, oh, that's interesting. I don't know. I think I ended up saving it there after all. So it has all of that. There are various tools in here. Whiten. Like I said, I'll let you play with it. It's not the most advanced editor, but there's a few things. There's red eye in there too that you can do in here. The most important things are probably resizing, so you can resize it down. And cropping are the most common things that you're going to do. Close this. And close this. Now, if you want to delete an image, you just click on the red box. If you want to replace an image, you can click on it, and one of your options here is replace, and then that allows you to replace it with something else. So say I want to replace it with a screenshot that I have somewhere else, then I could do that. You can also put alt text in there, which is good from the search engine standpoint. You want the alt text and the tooltip should both describe the image. The alt text is what shows up if the image doesn't, and also a lot of times when you hover over it, the tooltip is specifically what shows up when you hover over it with your mouse. And that's basically all there is to uploading images. I will say that if you have the ability to resize them so they're about no more than 1,000 pixels wide before you upload them, that'll save you time as far as uploading goes, because a lot of times when you take a picture with a digital camera, your image size is very large and it just takes a long time to upload. It'll resize it within the site to fix it as far as delivering it, but it's helpful if you have another way to resize it through software with your camera or something like that. You delete, and that's how you add, edit, and delete images.